Welcome back. Association of Government Doctors of Goa have assured improvement in health services. Association held its first meeting with Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar. Such a meet has been held for the first time in last 6 to 7 years. The doctors have demanded hike in salaries and regular promotions. Some of the senior doctors are paid less than the juniors.
Health Ministeraची सारखी आमचेर एक रिक्वेस्ट आणि एक सांबाळपाची एक सल्हा दिलेली आसा. गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज भितर सर्विसेस बरे मेळटा. डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ हेल्थ सर्विसेस भितर सर्विसेस थोडी इम्प्रूव जावपाची गरज आसा म्हणून सांगलेले आसा. बट कन्सल्टंट्स आसा एमर्जन्सी कॉल अटेंड करता बट तेंचे कडेन एक डिसिप्लिन तयार जावपाची 4:30 पर्यंत फिजिकली थंय आसपाची. दॅट इज द डिमांड ऑफ हेल्थ मिनिस्टर एंड हांव प्रेसिडेंट आशिल्ले कारण प्रेसिडेंटाची कॅपॅसिटी भितर हांव आश्वासन दिलेलें आसा. सगळी कन्सल्टंट्स 4:30 पर्यंत फिजिकली प्रेजेंट रावतले. मेडिकल ऑफिसराची प्रमोशन हेल्थ ऑफिसर म्हणून, हेल्थ ऑफिसराची प्रमोशन चीफ मेडिकल ऑफिसर म्हणून आणि चीफ मेडिकल ऑफिसर प्रमोशन डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर म्हणून ताबडतोब प्रमोशन करपाची खूबशी पोस्ट वेकंट आसा. ते वेकंट पोस्ट तरी भरल्यार हेल्थ ऑफिसर आणि डेप्युटी डायरेक्टरांची जबाबदारी आसा आपल्या आपल्या एरियाची काम करून घेवपाची आणि डिसिप्लिन पाळपाची. सिनियर डॉक्टर्स आसा कोण रिटायर्ड जावपाचे आसा आणि थोडे रिटायर्ड जावन गेलेले आसा ते लोक 4,500 ते 5,000 रुपये पगार कमी घेता ज्युनियर डॉक्टर्सा पेक्षा. ते सुद्धा आम्ही त्यांच्या मुखार मांडलेले आसा. खंयची स्टेटी भितर सिनियर डॉक्टर्स ज्युनियर डॉक्टर्सा पेक्षा कमी पगार घेयना. ते अकाउंट्स डायरेक्टरा कडेन एक ऑर्डर दिवन आमचे डिस्क्रिपन्सी ऑफ पगार आसा ते सारखे करपा जाय म्हणून त्यांचे रिक्वेस्ट केलेले आसा. ते आमकां आश्वासन दिलेले आसा. एडिशनल सेक्रेटरी हेल्थ तांकां ऑर्डर दिवपाक लायतलो डेप्युटी डायरेक्टर अकाउंट्स डायरेक्टर ऑफ अकाउंट्साक म्हणून सांगिल्लें आसा.
Manipal Hospital has launched a family health card. This card will provide medication and treatment at subsidized rates. Manipal Hospital launched a heart-to-heart campaign. Heart screening package will also be available to people at a discounted price on 30th September. The hospital plans to increase awareness, educate and inform people on cardiac care.
We have launched a family health card in which the patient can avail outpatient consultations as well as inpatient admissions at subsidized rates. This is all the card you must be having in the folder. This card is applicable to the card holder, his spouse and his 2 children.
Lusofonia Games Chief Executive Officer Keshav Chandra has stressed that the ACOLOP was supportive of Goa despite the delay in being ready. The infrastructure for the games was nowhere near to being ready for the November schedule. As such, the meeting in Macau came to a conclusion of postponing the games. The third edition of Lusofonia Games will be held now from January 18th to 29th. Meanwhile, the games volunteer program has received a big response.
At a press conference on Friday, Lusofonia Games CEO Keshav Chandra confirmed that the IOC's ban on IOA will not have an impact on the future of the games.
Is it regardless of what IOC decides for IOA?
No, they have in fact interacted with the IOC. The ACOLOP had interacted with IOC and they have clarified. Yes. This is regardless of IOA. No, it wasn't. It was not made clear. So now they have clarified it with IOC. They have taken it up with IOC.
So even if the ban stays?
Even if the ban stays. This year was a year of unprecedented rain. The construction thing got delayed. And in that delay, there was always a question mark whether we will have enough time in our hand so that we can test our facility and we can go ahead. We put everything across to ACOLOP and they placed on record that despite all the problems, despite the problem that everything started quite late, And despite the problem that this year, and they were aware that Goa has received unprecedented rain this year, they placed on record that despite all these constraints, Goa never gave up. And this is the exact word of the president, that Goa never gave up. And in order to have that successful games, they decided that let's have it in January.
The event of the stature of multi-sport international level Lusofonia Games needs a strong volunteer base. The organizers revealed that they have received a good response from Goan youth.
Registration started in the month of July. As on date, our target was approximately 2,000 volunteers, and we are fortunate enough the response of people of Goa and of course the student community is immense. We have got more than approximately 3,000 volunteers registered, and further process which has to be done by us is that their police verification, which is a mandatory part, and of course since we have got more number of students than required, we will also be screening them.
With video journalist Dinesh Karpe from Bambole, sports editor Neeraj Prabhu for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.